Hi fam, just a chill Tuesday. Vibes immaculate. Sky's red, but that's probs the filter.
Yo, did the government just soft launch WW3?
If I get vaporized, at least I made content. Don't forget to like and subscribe to AI Vlog Live. Support your radioactive girl.
Hey, so low-key, I thought WW3 would have more lasers and less tiny humans screaming about snacks in a war zone. My bad.
Someone tried to trade me a Twix for my kidneys. Honestly, fair deal. Day 67 of surviving the end times. Skin's flaky, morale's flakier. But hey, I'm the main character. Everyone I know is a ghost or an NFT. Not sure which is worse. Everything is gone, but I'm still here. So we're back to sticks and stones. Just invented fire again. No Wi-Fi. No iced coffee. Honestly, it's giving primal. This was humanity. We had memes, we had milk frothers, and we still chose war. Anyway, peace out. Support your last influencer.